How to solve Gmail storage full problem. So if you're getting an error that says you are running out of space, and the first thing you'll need to do is basically clear your current inbox. So you can either search for unsubscribe like this, and this search will display all the emails that have been sent from emailing boxes, such as websites that you have basically registered for or subscribed for, and they're sending you emails for notifications and stuff like that, which are not really important emails, and you can skip them and delete them. And then you'll need to click on, after selecting everything in your inbox after the search, you'll need to click on select all conversations that match, and then click on the delete icon right here, and then confirm for bulk delete action. Now once all of these emails are deleted, you can go back to your inbox and also look for more emails that you can delete until you clear your inbox, which will basically reduce the storage space and increase the available storage space that you can use. Next, you can click on your profile logo right here, or the dots next to it, and then click on Drive to open up Google Drive. Now in your Google Drive, on the left side at the bottom here, you should be able to see the current space available and the currently used space. So currently I have 70 megabytes of space used and about 15 GB max. So to free some more space, you can basically select any files that you no longer need in your Google Drive and remove them. So you can hold down the control and select the files one by one by the mouse if you no longer need these files, and then you want to click on the trash icon at the top to remove them. Now once they are removed, they are still in the trash, and while in trash it still counts them as used. I mean, the storage space is still the same, so you want to click on empty trash to get rid of them forever. And now as you can see, this updates the currently used space as you get rid of the files from the trash. And if you click on the storage icon under trash right here, you should be able to see the spaces or the storage sizes and for what they were used, for what they are being used. So this one is for files, images, media, and stuff like that. And the red one is for Gmail. You can also click on clean up space right here to help you clean more space, and it will tell you the cleanup suggested items. So for example, emails and trash, which is 33 megabytes, and then large drive files, and then spam emails. You can click on the review button right here, and then select all of them, and then hit the delete button, and then confirm that you understand these can be recovered. Then hit permanently delete, and that should free up some more space. Then go back to this page and click on the review for other suggested items for cleaning up, and you can basically do the same, remove any files or emails or videos or images that are taking space. And as you can see right here, after cleaning all of them up, you should refresh your drive right here to see the available space, and this should reduce the used space and free up some storage for you. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.